Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alrighty, so today is Monday. It is the 24th of June and it is the start of a brand new weekly vlog. Alrighty, so I'm getting a late start on dinner. It is 7:30. This is usually the time I'm winding down, about to about to get ready for bed and everything else like that. But today when I got home, I literally started doing yard work, weed whacking and spraying the little weed killer and just kind of cleaning up, sweeping the stairs, like just getting stuff taken care of, as far as the, outdoor stuff. And oh my goodness, I am tired, sweaty, and just out of it, but I still have to eat. I'm not sure how I'm going super long without eating, but it is 7:30 on the dot, so I'm gonna make this super duper quick. Alrighty, so I'm gonna start off. I'm gonna bring y'all over here. Terrible lighting, but you know what? It's gonna have to work. With this little garlic naan bread that I grabbed at the local grocery store yesterday, I'm gonna take one. It says it is perfect for the microwave or oven. I'm gonna go ahead and microwave because I don't have time to actually put it in a pan or anything else like that. And I have that leftover chicken, well, not leftover, but the chicken that my husband made yesterday. This was marinated chicken for kebabs. So I used that same like kind of Moroccan seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, all that good stuff in there. It smells awesome. It smells so good. Don't let, the light skin color on this thing fool you. It is smelling delicious. So I'm gonna have that with a little bit of this broccoli coleslaw that I picked up. I wanted lots and lots of fiber in here, so definitely want to have a little bit of that. And then to go along with that, roasted red pepper hummus, tzatziki sauce, and then finally feta cheese. I'm gonna just cut some of that up. But I'm gonna put everything together really quickly. I'm so sorry, this feels very rushed and I hate that, but it is literally time for me to lay it down. So let me go ahead and get all this together and I'll check back in with you guys in just a moment. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is Tuesday. It is the 25th of June and it's right now 6:45 on the dot. As you can see, I clearly had an appointment today. Had to get the nails and my feet done, make sure that they look good for the, for the summertime, and I got a few things coming up anyway, but I wanted to go ahead and welcome you guys to the vlog again. I know yesterday was super rushed because I had gotten home a lot, when I got home I did some yard work, which made me pretty late. But I wanted to at least go ahead and give you guys a full rundown of my week. Alrighty, so today I made just something super simple and easy because it is 6:45, so it's nearing that time frame. So I went ahead and just did a quick, easy taco salad. So I had two different types of veggies. I actually had some baby spring mix that was in the fridge that I grabbed from the store. So I put that in there as my base. And then yesterday with my chicken Mediterranean type of wrap, I actually, what was this stuff called? I actually used that broccoli coleslaw. So I made sure that I added a little bit of that in my salad as well. That ground turkey that my husband seasoned with the taco seasoning, I did a little bit of, there was some mango salsa in our pantry area, so I went ahead and grabbed that. So I did some mango salsa, some cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, and then I finished everything off with, the ranch dressing that came in that little pack. Sometimes whenever we get those little salad kits, they just give you, they have a dressing that goes with that kit. I just kind of save them for when I actually do need them because usually we're always going with the Ken's Creamy Caesar dressing, which is my favorite. But they had one of the little salad packs had a ranch, so I just kept it, in case someone had wings or something like that. So yeah, ranch is what I put on here. And then finally, just for a little bit of crunch, we had some little pita crackers or little pita chips. I just grabbed a couple of them and just kind of sprinkled them on top just to kind of give it, like a little extra something or another, just a little crunch there. I honestly could have just, if I had tortilla chips, I would have added tortilla chips. I don't have any of those. I could have done croutons, but I figured, hey, it's fine. Like, just eat up whatever we have here in the house. So, yeah, but that's pretty much it. So I have my iced coffee. I just finished making. And then for bubbles, I am going to have a Coca-Cola Zero Sugar. I did so good on my water today. So lots and lots of water. Went on a really nice walk today at lunch. Like, I'm starting to get a little lightheaded towards the end of the day, but I try not to push myself too hard. I just try to get out there, get some sun, get some fresh air, but I did run up the stairs when I finished my walk. So that might have kind of caused me to, because my heart was pumping. I was breathing. I felt like I needed an inhaler again. It was that bad. So yeah, I definitely wanted to make sure I got that taken care of, but, or made sure that I, keep the heart moving. I really need to do that, work on that. But other than that, that's pretty much it. Now tomorrow we actually have friends. Our friends are coming into town and they have their baby girl with them, my niece, and I cannot wait to see them. She's already walking and I'm just so excited. So more than likely, we're probably gonna go out for dinner tomorrow, but I wanted to at least show you guys how we're utilizing the meals that we already prepped for the week. But I will take you guys along with me tomorrow to see everything that we have. But other than that, pretty much an easy, slow weekend, nothing major. I'll take a look and see what it is that we want to pull out for next week, but we may actually have to make a store run because it's getting a little low, a little skimpy on the food. But other than that, it is. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. I will see you all tomorrow right back here on this channel, same time, same place. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Wednesday. It is the 26th of June. I wanted to get on here and just talk with you guys very briefly. Today we were supposed to hang out with our really good friends who were coming into town to visit, but unfortunately they weren't feeling their best, and I totally understand. Perfectly fine. It's a 100-degree day. I'm not sure what's going on, but they just weren't feeling very good. So we wanted to go ahead and just say, hey, look, keep that over there. Hope you feel better. We love you very much. We'll keep you in prayer. We did go ahead and pick up some food. I actually got my food from Georgia Peach, which is nearby the house. And I got just fried chicken wings. It came with 5 wings. I got mac and cheese for a side and then green beans on that side as well. So those are my sides. Along with that, I made my iced coffee. Gotta have it. And I've been refilling my little tumbler all day today because, like I said, it's a 100-degree day and it is hot. My husband just opened up a Sprite. This one is the zero sugar, and it's the Sprite Chill, which is like a cherry lime flavored Sprite. So I'll be helping him drink off this one because I really don't even drink a whole soda to myself. Maybe drink about half, and then I end up giving it to him anyway. So we're just gonna share one. But yeah, that was pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to just keep you updated on what we have. This is what it looks like. And we're trying to keep it as cool as we can in here, which is why I don't have any lights on. And then my little chicken wings. I got my little hot sauce here on the side, so I can go ahead and just add that on there. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I will see you all here tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. And you guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. All right, today is Friday. Finally! It is the 28th of, I almost said April, 28th of June. Last Friday in June, and I am finally back home. All nice and dressy. I gotta take this makeup off, looking bad. But anyway, I wanted to just give you guys a little brief rundown. Yesterday, I just made salads. It was so, so good. Just quick, taco salads. We finished up that taco meat, which is perfect. But I had my nephew, so I couldn't necessarily go into, any type of detail, but it was just salad. It wasn't anything major. But today I am having junk food, Big Mac, McDonald's. So I got some fries. I got a Big Mac. I got a little, I almost said McMuffin. What's this thing called? McDouble. and then a Diet Coke on the side here. So I'm gonna go ahead and chow down. I am so hungry. It is 6:48 p.m. I am exhausted. It has been a long day. Oh my goodness. Yeah, and I'm just ready to chow down and ready to just take everything off and relax. So I hope you guys had a great Friday, a great ending to your week, basically to your work week. And I cannot wait to see you guys tomorrow, same time, same place, right back here on the channel. You guys take care. Bye. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. Alrighty, so it is Sunday. It is officially the 30th of June. Tomorrow will be the 1st of July and the start of a brand new weekly vlog. I wanted to go ahead and just come on here and just give you guys a little rundown. I had a religious convention this weekend. It was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Friday for dinner, we just had, you guys already saw the McDonald's, just something quick and fast because it was literally like turn and burn. I wanted to get home, get showered, get changed, just kind of get a little bit of rest in before it was time to, basically go to sleep and, kind of do that all over again. Saturday, we ended up having date night afterwards. We went to one of our local spots that we like for sushi. So Saturday, we went to East Moon Asian Bistro for sushi, and that's one of our favorite places. It is so delicious. Oh my goodness. I only ended up getting 2 rolls. One was a white swan roll that had like a white fish along with a shrimp tempura. And then the second one was, I can't even remember what it was called. It was something funky, but it was on like their happy hour menu. And that one, I just remember having that little, you know, imitation crab or whatever they call, you know, on top. And that one was really good as well. So I only get 2 rolls, but man, those 2 rolls were very filling. And so I was very happy with the sushi for sure. And I love lots of ginger on my sushi, so I always request like extra ginger. But yeah, so that's what we had yesterday for date night. And then today, literally, it was another day of just grabbing something quickly. So I got Popeyes. So for Popeyes, I just got like a couple pieces of chicken, a biscuit, and then in this little baggie is the French fries. That was my side. So not the healthiest meals, you know, for the weekend, but because of, you know, everything that was going on, everything was, you know, very busy. I wanted to make sure I just, you know, my eating is kind of off schedule. Like right now it's 6:02 in the evening. Yesterday, I think we probably ate around the same time or so. But yeah, I'm tired. It has been a long weekend, but it was such a good weekend. I feel energized, I feel encouraged, and yeah, I'm ready to start off the week on a good note. So tomorrow, just to kind of give you guys a little bit of a heads up, I do have jury duty. So I am going to be, of course, you guys already know, fasting the entire day during jury duty. Woo. My husband's like, oh gosh, like, so hopefully I don't get picked to do anything. I mean, I'm there to do my civic duty, but hopefully I don't get picked because, yeah, I was hoping I would have a day to rest, and it just so happened that my jury duty day fell on my day to rest. So yeah. Plus, I got to go right back to work on Tuesday. So hopefully I don't get picked, but I will be there. So yep, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to throw that out there. I already made the coffees and I already had that. And right now I have a little lemonade that I got with my food. So that is what I shall be breaking my fast with today. But other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I will see you all here tomorrow for the start of a brand new weekly vlog. So you guys stay tuned right here back here on the channel. Take care. Bye.